I'm Doug Mayo, County Agent, Jackson County, Florida. And recently, I had an opportunity to see something neat that Craig Bishop, one of our local farmers, had done. Hurricane Michael was devastating to farms in our area, destroying equipment, crops, and facilities. But Bishop Farms was able to rebuild something bigger, better than before. They've created their home office and a facility for their tools and their equipment. And in addition to that, they beautified it with a mural that Collett, Hardeman, and Tallahassee created for them. And when you take a close look at the barn, you can see on the left is a peanut picker representing the peanuts and the names of the different farms they farm. In the center is tall, straight stalks of corn, and on the right is a cotton picker on the white fields of harvest. Truly a wonderful addition to add beauty and to their farm and share the heritage that will be there for generations to come. Truly, they took this opportunity to make something better than they ever had before, something I know they'll be proud of for generations.